welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making yet another very interesting breakfast recipe. We'll be making sandwiches without using bread. So let's quickly see how to make this very interesting no bread sandwich today. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, in a bowl we'll take 1 cup of suji or semolina. Here goes 1 cup of oats. These are instant oats. To this we'll add 1 cup of curd. Now we'll also add 1 cup of water. We'll mix everything well. You can prepare this batter using only semolina as well, but to make it more healthy I am adding oats. I will add little salt to it. That's about it. We'll allow this batter to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and you can see the batter has puffed up well. Now to this we'll add few vegetables. Here I have chopped capsicum, corns, chopped carrot and onions. We'll add all these vegetables into our batter to make it more healthy and more nutritious, and we'll mix everything well. The material is little thick, so I will add little water to it. Using the same batter you can prepare chila or ape. And now in this batter we'll add ENO. You can even use baking soda instead of it. Mix it well and the batter is ready to prepare our sandwiches. To prepare sandwiches, we'll grease the toaster well. And now we'll pour the batter. If you want, you can even use cheese in this batter to prepare cheesy sandwiches. However, that is completely optional. We need to cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes depending upon the toaster. Let's check our sandwiches. And yes, these are ready. Our lovely looking sandwiches are ready. Sandwiches made without using bread. Similarly, we'll prepare the other lot. And you can see our sandwiches are ready. These are looking so tempting. So if your kids want to have sandwiches and you have run out of bread, then this recipe is a must try. It's a very quick one. It will take only 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, and you can serve your family with these crispy, delicious no bread sandwiches. You can serve these sandwiches with tomato ketchup and even green chutney. Friends, do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.